In a world where convenience meets eco-consciousness, folding electric bikes are taking the urban commute by storm. Welcome to electricbikes 247, your ultimate destination for all things electric bike related. Today, we're diving into the top 5 folding electric bikes that blend portability with power. But first, let's talk about the sheer convenience of folding electric bikes. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or hopping on public transport, these compact wonders make commuting a breeze. Hey there, riders! Ready to explore the 5 best folding electric bikes? Let's dive in. The Lectric XP 3.0 is revered for its rugged design and remarkable range, earning it a top spot among urban adventurers seeking durability and performance. Its foldable frame adds an element of convenience, allowing for effortless storage in tight city spaces without compromising on functionality. Powered by a robust motor, this electric bike delivers a consistently smooth and enjoyable ride, making it a reliable companion for daily commutes or weekend adventures. With the Lectric XP 3.0, navigating bustling city streets becomes a breeze, offering both convenience and excitement in one sleek package. The Turnvectron S10 sets a new standard for urban mobility with its sleek and stylish design, capturing the attention of riders looking for both form and function. Equipped with top-notch components, it ensures a smooth and reliable ride through bustling city streets, making every commute a breeze. Its innovative folding technology further enhances its practicality, allowing for easy storage in compact spaces like apartments or offices. For commuters seeking convenience without compromising on performance, the Turnvectron S10 stands out as the ultimate choice, blending style, practicality, and cutting-edge design seamlessly. The Go Cycle G4i embodies a perfect fusion of innovation and elegance, captivating onlookers with its futuristic aesthetics and sleek lines. Beyond its eye-catching design, its lightweight construction ensures nimble maneuverability, ideal for navigating crowded urban environments with ease. Adding to its allure, the seamless folding mechanism allows for effortless portability, making it a convenient companion for commuters on the go, whether cruising through city streets or seamlessly folding it for storage. The Lectric XP Trike emerges as the ultimate choice for riders prioritizing stability and comfort above all else. With its innovative 3-wheel design, it provides unmatched balance, instilling confidence even on challenging terrain. Adding to its appeal, the Electric Assist feature guarantees effortless pedaling, allowing riders to conquer hills and rough roads with ease. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring scenic trails, the Lectric XP Trike offers a smooth and comfortable ride, making every journey a joyous experience. Embrace the freedom of exploration with the Lectric XP Trike, where stability, comfort, and performance converge in perfect harmony. The Ride 1-Up Portola stands out as the epitome of value, seamlessly blending affordability with uncompromising performance. Designed with budget-conscious riders in mind, it offers a remarkable combination of quality and features without breaking the bank. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on countryside adventures, this folding electric bike delivers a reliable and exhilarating ride every time. With its versatile design and impressive capabilities, the Ride 1-Up Portola exceeds expectations, proving that high-quality electric bikes can indeed be accessible to all. There you have it, folks, the 5 best folding electric bikes on the market today. But don't just take our word for it. Head over to electricbikes247.com to explore our vast inventory and find the perfect ride for your needs. Thanks for tuning in to Electric Bikes 247. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electrifying content. Until next time, happy riding!